Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you the best downloader codes which you can use on your Firestick to get movies and TV shows totally free of charge. And the whole setup is pretty easy too. So now without any further ado, let me show you how to set it up on your device. And first of all, obviously you have to get the app code downloader to your Firestick if you don't already have it. To do so, go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search. So that's what we are doing right now. And now, as you can see, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Let's click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, you have to go to settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon. Then you'll scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now from here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a little bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Let's open it. Make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps, and now from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we have to go to the list of applications on your Firestick. Here it is. We'll open it. And now here is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV Stick device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to the Netherlands right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight to the list of apps on your device, we open it, and then go to downloader. Now the app opens, and basically all we have to do in here is just open that search bar and now start entering the codes here in the search. And the first code in today's list is going to be 489 and then 554. So once again, it's 489554. That's the code you have to enter, and then you just click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. Now you have to click on install and then just wait for the app to finally get installed on your Firestick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, here it is, we are going to open it. And here at the bottom you'll find the first app which we downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the app on your device. And from here you get access to thousands of movies and TV shows on your Firestick device. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So that was the first app we got for you today, but it is not the last one. I got a couple more apps for you, so you would get even more movies on your Firestick. So we just have to go back to the list of apps on your device, open up Downloader again, then like previously click on Home, erase the previous code, and now the next code we are going to use will be 329027. So once again, it's 329027. That's the second code we are going to use today on your Firestick. Then just click on Go. And now while it's loading, don't forget to sub the channel if you didn't do it previously. And as you can see, the app downloaded in a couple of seconds. Then you just click on install and we pretty much follow the same steps as we did with the previous application. So after it was installed, we click on done and get rid of those unnecessary installation files from your Firestick. And now when you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV device, let's open it up, and here's the second app which we installed. Let's put it up front as well, and now you can open the app. And now from here you also get to watch a lot of movies and TV shows on your Fire TV Stick device. So that's the second app we got for you today. And now let's go back to the loader and I'll show you the last amazing application today which you can get to your Firestick super easily. So we go straight back into the downloader application on your Fire TV Stick device. Here it is, let's open it. And then just click on Home, erase that code that we have previously used. And now the next code we are going to use will be 13435. So once again, 13435. Click on Go and just follow the same steps as we did before. And now the download has started. And then, like previously, we click on install, and then after that we'll get rid of the installation files of this application. So click on done, and then delete and delete. And now when you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick, so let us open it up. And now when it's going to load, you'll find the third app, which is called Nova TV. So let's put it up front as well. And now you got 3 amazing movie apps today for your Firestick. Enjoy and don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe online. See you next time. Bye bye.